Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 4 products available in the market. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 4 on the list is: on Amazon you will get a number of different products, but we are putting this in our list because of many different aspects. The Slackers Zip Spring provides an easy end to an exhilarating ride. Our extra long 5.25 feet long powder-coated steel spring is made for use all of our Slackers zip lines. The rubberized stoppers at each end protect the line, the trolley and the rider with a smooth finish. No bungee lines to worry about tripping over. For use on Slackers brand ZIPLINES only. See more product details. The number 3 on the list is: choosing a right product is not easy. We always choose products after different experiments. Stainless steel zip line. Our 80-foot zip line kits for backyard is made of 0.16-inch heavy-duty steel cable. It can withstand 250 pounds, has durability and wear resistance, and provides you with a solid entertainment foundation. Perfect for children or adults to play in the backyard. Spring brake and trolley. Our zipline kit includes a 6.3-foot stainless steel spring brake as the braking system, so the zipper will not stop suddenly to ensure security. The trolley is made of iron, equipped with an anti-skid bearing and a long wear-resistant pulley firmly fixed on the cable. Considerate details. The child security seat can ensure security. The tree coat can keep the tree from being hurt by the rope. The foreskin at the sharp part of the rope can prevent being stabbed. And a pair of knee pads and elbow pads can keep from being scratched. Complete accessories. You can get everything you want. In addition to our main rope, seats, and some security facilities, there are also turnbuckle and U-clip accessories to make it easier for you to install the sports rope. Finally, we also provide a storage bag to help you store. Extensive application. This zip line for adults is suitable for children to play and swing in the backyard. Significantly improves sensory balance and coordination with partners, and spend a good time with the family. Ideal gift for children and adults to meet in the backyard. In addition, children will enjoy the fun of outdoor activities. The number 2 on the list is: many positives reviews for this product are available on different forums and communities. Play in the air. Slackers is a Colorado-based company that focuses on kids' active play products to help you and your children get active and play in the air. Our zip lines and zip line accessories are great at inspiring children to play outside. ZIPSPRING brake. The Slackers 90 Feet Eagle Series zip line includes the signature zip spring brake system. The powder-coated steel spring brake protects the line, the trolley, and the rider with a smooth, safe finish to the end of each ride. Zip Quick System. The Slackers Zip Quick System's universal design allows one person to install or remove a zip line in just minutes. Setting up your Slackers zip line could not be easier with the signature Zip Quick. Safety first. We are focused on creating safe, durable zip lines, outdoor swings, active playground sets, and obstacle courses for kids. Ideal for building up your inner adventurer and motivating children of all ages to stay active. Product guarantee. All Slackers ziplines meet or exceed strict U.S. safety standards for quality and durability. We guarantee, if you are not fully satisfied with your zipline purchase, our customer service team will work directly with you to make it right. The number one on the list is this product comes with premium quality and affordable price. Open black lens bracket. 2 ways to play close black lens bracket. Our ziplines for backyards design perfectly combines the shape of a sailboat. The height of the handle can be freely adjusted according to the position of the knot. There are 2 different ways of playing: sitting as a swing, standing as a surfboard. 2 game modes keep children's enthusiasm for ziplining longer. At the same time, it is more durable and safer than other ordinary disc swing seats on the market. Open black lens bracket. Safe and durable parts. Close black lens bracket in outdoor activities and playground equipment. Safety is the most important thing in the family. Therefore, our backyard zipline kit for kids for backyard are made of 7*19 super strong galvanized stainless steel cable winding. The 1/4 inch high-quality cable is more durable and wear-resistant while preventing rust. Eliminates the risk of your little one's broken cables and falls. Open black lens bracket. Smoother pulleys. Close black lens bracket. Our zipline pulleys are made of double stainless steel with super smooth sealed ball bearings. Long wear, alloy pulleys, steel side plates and soft grips. Can hold up to 450 pounds. Also, with a detachable design, it can be attached to the zipline anywhere and can be easily removed. Thanks to the clever design of the zipline cart with handle, our zipline kids glide very smoothly and don't wobble. Open black lens bracket. SUS 304 stainless steel zipline brake. Close black lens bracket. Ziplines for kids and adults outdoor, also equipped with a steel spring brake system to ensure riders stop smoothly at long distances instead of abruptly bumpy stops. Our 5.3 inches long high-strength compression stainless steel springs are a great addition to your backyard ziplines. Our upgraded durable stainless steel springs last longer. Zipline springs are effective at keeping your kids and trees a safe distance from your trees. Open black lens bracket. Have fun getting fit. Close black lens bracket. This ziplines for backyard is the excellent safety choice for kids' toys for toddler backyard fun. Kids swinging particularly improves sensory balance and coordination with partner. Spend a good time with family. Ideal gift for kids and adults on backyard gathering. Child will love the fun of outdoor activity. Open black lens bracket. Easy to set up anywhere. Close black lens bracket. The ziplines for kids outdoor can quickly be set up almost anywhere. Simply hang the steel cable between 2 healthy trees, and it's ready to go. Perfect kit for backyard family fun. Get-togethers, summer camping, party challenge, junior intro training set, camping gear accessories, playground equipment, park, outdoor games, etc. If you encounter any problems, please contact us first. We will try our best to help solve. Please rest assured to buy